Hey guys, and welcome back to Simply Nail Art, and in this video I'm going to show you how to do this cute and simple spring nail design, so let's begin. As you can see, I'm starting off by applying a base coat. Next, I'm adding purple to my thumb, index, and middle fingernail. And now I'm adding white to my ring and pinky fingernails. And now for the design, I'm starting off with green, and I'm beginning by painting the stem of the flower. And next up, I'm adding leaves. And now for the flower, I'm taking a dotting tool and I'm making the shape of the petals. Now here, I'm just going in with a little bit of a darker purple to add more dimension to the flower. And now to finish up the design, I'm using black and I'm adding a dot to the center of the flower. Finally, I'm sealing it all in with a top coat. Well, that is all guys. Thanks for watching. To see more videos like this, subscribe. Also leave a like if you like this video, and comment down below any nail designs you want to see me do in the future. Bye!